Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Jen reading for Libra, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of November. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it does not, please you can book yourself personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please don't forget my readings are general, so if they're not resonating, please don't try to fit in unnecessarily. If you want to find out the most resonating messages, find out your rising, find out your moon, and then you'll be able to dive deeper into the realm of astrology and get the best answers for yourself. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Libra Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of November. Card. Give me one more card and then we'll Libra Sun. Libra, I do see that some of you, in the recent past, some of you had been feeling like, you have no control over your emotions. Like, some of you had been dealing with, I can say massive anxiety or massive codependent issues, or some of you were dealing with, some of you have been in a space where you have realized that. It's not very much possible for you to really handle your emotions, and you have really relied on certain human being. It could be the person that you had been seeing, and I do see that all of a sudden the person that you were seeing has really decided that they do not want to be in a space where they have to take care of your relationship, of your emotions. So I do see that in this moment you could be feeling a little turmoil, and you could be feeling like this person is sort of playing with your trust, or like you've trusted them with your emotions. So in the recent past, that's how you've been feeling, that you are really trying to run behind somebody to take care of your emotions, and this person is just like not ready to do that. This person is sort of like running away because they got their own shit to deal with, or their own problems to deal with. um, I do see, Libra, that in the end, or probably now, or in the month of November, you guys are going to hit a realization that you will have to take charge of your own emotions, and you guys are going to hit a realization that from this point onwards, you will never ever rely on anybody to take care of you or to take care of your emotions. I do see that a lot of you are going to really step into your power. A lot of you are going to realize who you are. A lot of you are going to realize what you're capable of. And a lot of you are really going to, really end that pattern wherein. Wherein you're so codependent or so dependent on other human beings to really look after you and to take care of your emotions at all times, because at some point or the other we all need to really understand that our emotions and our feelings is our own responsibility in the end. Other people have got their own shit and their own problems to deal with, and people cannot really revolve around our emotional needs at all times. So for some of you, I'm getting that message. Now I want to clarify, why is Seven of Swords in reverse? Yes, Libra, I do see that for a very long period of time, you guys have just looked around and realized that, somewhere or the other, you always manage to really blame others for how you have felt. And expected others to bring light, expected others to bring happiness into your life. If I want to put it in a nutshell, you guys have, for the longest time, you're just hitting this realization that for the longest time, you have been this human being that you always relied on, the person that you're with, or other human beings for your happiness. But now you have hit a realization that life is not going to work that way, and you are not going to be happy if you continue this pattern. So some of you are going to break this pattern, some of you are going to peep within, and some of you are going to really stand your ground and address these issues that make you so codependent. So that's what I'm getting for a lot of you. I want to clarify, why is the Empress here? Can you please clarify the Empress? Can you please clarify the Empress for me? Give me one more card and please clarify the Empress. Yes, Libra, for a lot of you, that's what I'm seeing. That for the longest time, you guys have been really like, some of you have been anxious, some of you have been really stressed, some of you have been, really into a disharmonious space because of the person that you are with or you have been with. I do see that, all of a sudden, and not all of a sudden, I do see that, very steadily you guys had been prepping up for this, but now the time has come. The Tower moment is occurring for you guys. Your Tower moment is coming. And this is going to be a massive, deep transformation, and this is also going to be a passionate one. I do see that this is also going to be a quick one. Like maybe the realization and everything has happened. All the situations have already occurred that pushed you to this point of being absolutely independent, that pushed you to this point of taking charge of your life, taking charge of your emotions, and most of all, taking charge of your happiness. I do see that you guys were not dependent on other human beings for anything else than your emotions. For anything else, then, you had literally given the power and the responsibility to your partner, to people around you, for your own happiness. And that's the worst kind of power that we could give to other people, because if we give them the power to make us happy, if they have that remote controller, then they also have the power to make us sad. Or maybe they're not giving a shit about that remote controller. You are just like helpless, because now you don't know what to do with your state of mind and your emotions. So I do see that you hit this realization. I do see that you have decided that I'm the one who's responsible for the light within me, and I'm going to take charge of it. I do see that you guys, this change is very, very quickly occurring, wherein you are going to be in an emotionally healthy space. You are going to take charge of your emotions. You are going to cultivate those skills that will really make you an independent person emotionally, who's capable of their own emotional fulfillment without relying on other human beings. So that's and this could even when I'm saying other people again and again, I mostly see that it's because of the person that you guys were dealing with for the longest time. Maybe they have their own things going on, maybe they have their own issues going on, or whatever, but this person has clearly told you that I'm not going to really be responsible. This person has basically taken a step back. This person has shown an escapist attitude, and they have taken a step back, which has led you to realizing that you are responsible for your own emotion and no other human being is. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you guys are dealing with. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you guys are dealing with. Sorry guys, that's my dog, and I don't know who is he barking at. please dive deep into the emotions of the person who is Give me one more card and please dive deep into the emotions of Okay, Libra, let me tell you that the person that you could be dealing with, the water sign could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. There's massive Scorpio energy. Could be a Virgo. There's also great Virgo energy. Could be an air sign. Could be a Libra. Another Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Could be any sign as far as elements go. Let's not rip on the signs much. But I do see that the person that you guys are dealing with is really not like in a very good space emotionally and mentally. I would say there is a lot of confusion that's prevailing in their life at this point in time. There's a lot of soul searching and like a lot of self analysis that they are to do, and at the same time they are also going through some sort of transformations. They do some sort of evolution, I would say, because their current life is not really making them happy. They have unfulfilled wishes, they have unfulfilled dreams, and for some of them they are just hitting a realization that maybe life and time is just slipping by and I'm not really able to make a good use of it. Some of you could be dealing with somebody who's extremely particular, who's extremely strict, and who's extremely goal oriented, and they are sort of seeing that they are at the mercy of time. Some of them could be really fearing, some of them actually hit the realization that life could end at any moment, and that they need to make the best use of this time. So the thing is that your person has not escaped or shown their back on you because they don't love you, but they have shown their back on you because this person in this moment is just having one of those phases wherein they do realize that there is a certain transformation that they need to go through, or they want to take their life to some other level or some other dimension, or some other place other than where it is currently, and that's just sort of really making them uncomfortable. So basically this whole change is really uncomfortable for them. The realization that they themselves will have to change who they are, what do they do to really switch to really switch their personality. At the same time, as far as their feelings for you are concerned, Librans, I don't see that your person is in that space right now where they can really think about love. And they have also hit a realization that since they have pretty much decided that they are going to really change who they are not very sure if this relationship is going to go along with the kind of human being that they are going to become now. I want to clarify why it's Two of Swords in the verse. What is the Two of Swords in the verse? Give me one more card and please clarify Two of Swords in the verse. Okay, Librans, and I also see that for some of you, your person is at a stage where they really, really want to settle down, where they really, really, want to get married, and where they want to probably offer emotional love and have that kind of support and have a family of their own. And I do see that this one thing is massively being discussed. For others of you, this person could be really busy with a work project, and things could have been wonderfully working out for them at a workplace, and now they realize that they will have to, really change their routine and everything to be able to do justice to the place they have reached after so much hard work. Um, But for others of you, I'm just like very strongly receiving this message that this person really, really wants to settle down, and this person really, really wants to get married, and this person is really ready to do what it takes to, just settle down. Can you please clarify why is Nine of Cups in reverse? Yes, Libran, see, your person is probably on a journey, from the journey of being in a space where they were massively heartbroken and burdened, and things were not working out in their favor, to a journey where they have realized that they are in charge of their own lives and they are going to make it happen. And now they finally are arriving at a place wherein they probably want to celebrate, and they probably just want to be in a space where they can cherish how far they have come. And they really, I mean, for some of them have realized that maybe the circumstances around them have changed, but their inner personality has been pretty much the same, and that they are not really very innately happy, so they have decided to take charge of their happiness. For some of you, that's what I'm receiving. For some of you Librans, I do see that this person has been considering to even marry you. For some of you, I'm getting that message. For others of you, I'm also getting a message that this person just sort of feels that the relationship that they are currently into with you is extremely burdensome, and they would rather have somebody who's much more emotionally independent. And for some of you, this person could be actively really looking for suitors. If this reading is resonating with you, Librans, please hit on the subscribe button, and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of November. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button, and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of November. Please give me the outcome for my Libra Sun Moon Rising for the month of November. Libra Sun Moon Rising, the person for the month of November. Please give me the outcome for the person for the month of November.